everyone and welcome back to another video of Boost Your English. Yo soy Juan Carlos y hoy te traigo una práctica completa que te va a ayudar para mejorar tu comprensión auditiva. Vas a aprender vocabulario nuevo y vas a responder algunas preguntas y a mejorar tu pronunciación con shadowing. Shadowing es una de las formas más efectivas para mejorar tu inglés y si lo haces con constancia, mucho mejor. Así que si estás listo, let's begin.
We are going to work on 4 key activities to help you improve your listening skills. First, watch the video and listen carefully to train your ear and understand natural speech. Next, learn new vocabulary to expand your word bank and express yourself better. Then, answer the questions to check your comprehension. And finally, practice with shadowing, a great technique to boost your pronunciation and fluency. We recommend doing all 4 activities to develop your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills. Let's get started and enjoy the learning journey.
First, you are going to listen to a short conversation in English. And don't worry if you don't catch everything right away. That's totally normal. The key is to focus on words you already know. Get the general context and try to understand the main idea. You've got this.
Hi, Jeffrey. It's been a long time. How have you been?
Hey, Lucy. I've been okay. I just got used to my new job. It was hard at first.
Oh, really? What do you do now?
I work at a hospital. I help patients with their daily routines.
That sounds stressful.
It was, but now I take it easy. I don't worry so much like before.
That's great. I'm afraid of hospitals, to be honest.
Me too. But I had to get over it. How about you? How's life?
Not the best. I broke up with my boyfriend last month.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. But hey, I'm here to cheer you up. Let's order something delicious.
Thanks, Jeffrey. You always know what to say.
Of course. That's what friends are for. Ready to eat?
Yes, let's do it.
Take it easy and always cheer up your friends.
Let's practice with new vocabulary.
Alright, now it's time to boost your vocabulary. We are going to look at some keywords and phrases from the conversation. I'll explain what they mean and give you clear examples so you can understand them and use them in real life. You're doing amazing. Let's keep going and grow your English step by step. You've got this.
To get used to. To become familiar with something new or different. It describes the process of adapting to a new situation, habit, or environment. Get used to plus noun, pronoun, verb ing. Examples. I'm getting used to waking up early. She got used to the cold weather after a few weeks.
I got used to it though.
I got used to it.
Once I got used to it, I think I could manage.
I got used to your face.
I'm afraid of. It means I feel fear or worry about something. It is used to express that something scares you or makes you nervous. Examples. I'm afraid of spiders. I'm afraid of speaking in public.
Think that I'm afraid of that?
I'm afraid of heights.
What's what I'm afraid of? I'm afraid of you.
I'm afraid of everyone.
Take it easy. That means relax, don't worry, or don't stress yourself. Examples. You've been working hard all week. Take it easy this weekend. Take it easy, everything will be fine.
If you all think that I'm going to take it easy on you just because it is the last class...
Sweetie, I thought we were going to take it easy with the sleeping pills.
We can talk about the first two, but let's take it easy on the latter.
Hey, take it easy on Mono, Holmes.
Hi. Can you take it easy when I do business, please?
To cheer up. To make someone feel happier, especially when they are sad or upset. Examples. She was feeling sad, so I brought her some flowers to cheer her up. Cheer up. Everything's going to be okay.
Nothing like a scrap of ribbon to cheer up a widow.
Something to cheer up the tower?
Anyway, about 7 months ago, this so-called lawyer, Mr. O'Shaughnessy, asked me how I'd like to cheer up a lonely old man and pick up 100 a week at the same time.
I told you, I was just trying to cheer up Verna.
Now it's time to cheer up.
Cheer up, Brian.
Cheer up.
Oh, well, cheer up.
Cheer up, smile, nerds.
Pretty soon the sky is gonna clear up, Charlie. Cheer up, Charlie.
3. Answer the questions.
Now it's time to check how much you understood. I read each question and possible answers out loud. After each one, you'll have a few seconds to choose your answer. Don't just do this activity once. Do it again. Repeating this exercise every day will help you improve your listening and speaking skills faster. Each time you repeat, you understand more and your pronunciation will sound more natural. Consistency is the key. You've got this. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Answer the following questions out loud. Question 1. Where did Jeffrey get used to working? A. At a school. B. At a hospital. C. At a restaurant. D. At home. And the answer is B. Question 2. What is Lucy afraid of? A. Spiders. B. Flying. C. Hospitals. D. Heights. The answer is hospitals. Question 3. What does take it easy mean in the dialogue? A. To work faster. B. To relax and not stress. C. To study hard. D. To go on vacation. The answer is B. To relax and not to stress. Question 4. Why was Lucy feeling sad? A. She lost her job. B. She broke up with her boyfriend. C. She failed a test. D. She missed lunch. The answer is B. She broke up with her boyfriend. Question 5. What does Jeffrey want to do for Lucy? A. Give her a gift. B. Take her to the doctor. C. Cheer her up. D. Help her find a new boyfriend. The answer is C. Cheer her up. Question 6. What do Lucy and Jeffrey decide to do at the end? A. Go shopping. B. Eat lunch together. C. Go to the movies. D. Visit the hospital. And the answer is B. Eat lunch together. 4. Practice with shadowing.
Now it's time to take your English to the next level with a shadowing activity. You'll watch a conversation between two people. In the first round, you will hear one of the characters. Your job is to repeat the other character's lines out loud, just like an actor. Then we'll switch it. You'll hear the other character and now it's your turn to play the missing role. Focus on sounding natural. Copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Try to do this as best as you can. Practice this exercise every day if you can. It's a powerful way to improve both your English and speaking skills. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi, Jeffrey. It's been a long time. How have you been?
Hey, Lucy. I've been okay. I just got used to my new job. It was hard at first.
Oh, really? What do you do now?
I work at a hospital. I help patients with their daily routines.
That sounds stressful.
It was, but now I take it easy. I don't worry so much like before.
That's great. I'm afraid of hospitals, to be honest.
Me too. But I had to get over it. How about you? How's life?
Not the best. I broke up with my boyfriend last month.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. But hey, I'm here to cheer you up. Let's order something delicious.
Thanks, Jeffrey. You always know what to say.
Of course. That's what friends are for. Ready to eat?
Yes, let's do it.
Take it easy and always cheer up your friends.
Hi, Jeffrey. It's been a long time. How have you been? Oh, really? What do you do now? That sounds stressful. That's great. I'm afraid of hospitals, to be honest. Not the best. I broke up with my boyfriend last month. Thanks, Jeffrey. You always know what to say. Yes, let's do it.
Hey, Lucy. I've been okay. I just got used to my new job. It was hard at first. I work at a hospital. I help patients with their daily routines. It was, but now I take it easy. I don't worry so much like before. Me too. But I had to get over it. How about you? How's life? Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. But hey, I'm here to cheer you up. Let's order something delicious. Of course, that's what friends are for. Ready to eat? Take it easy and always cheer up your friends.
Great job! Remember, every time you practice, you're getting better. Repeat these exercises as many times as you need. Your pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence will grow faster than you think. Keep going, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. And keep practicing with the next videos. See you then!